So in today's video, it's going to be an unusual long format video, which you don't usually do on this channel, but today I'll be taking the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max actually to a car show. So lots of cars, lots of colors. It's a bright sunny day, so let's see what this thing can do on a bright sunny day. Now this is going to be unusual because we're not going to be doing the deep camera settings like manual controls and all that stuff. This is just basically point and shoot, just like 90% of iPhone users do. So just pick the camera out of your pocket and shoot a photo, and that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'll be showing you what those photos look like. So let's have fun.
5th year. And do you go touring with it? Do you use it every year, every week?
I use it every like 3 days a week. Yeah.
To and from work, or just to enjoy it?
To work and work.
And tell us a bit more about the motorcycle, the actual history of it.
Good bike.
2, 3 or 4th. All right, thank you. Bye.
Well done, fantastic.
Okay, back to you, Philip.
Thank you. Good interview, beautiful motorbike.
For this one, I'll do the
So,
5X.
ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, pop over, have a look at the motorbikes if you haven't been already, and lots else for you to do, lots for you to eat.
Wow.
Kids, lots for you to do, lots of places where you can go playing, not in front of the car. Beautiful machines. I'll be so interested to see how they do. As you remember, it's not just how they look. Judging is much more difficult than that, as we were being told earlier. 1600.
This was the favorite, most favorite ride in the old days, the SAP, because when it got stuck in mud, they would roll it over onto its roof and
I'll take a photo of Porsches all day long.
Over to you.
Okay. I now have arrived.
Yeah, sure.
With his motorbike. Zimbabwe, it is an amazing achievement. I'm going to give you a big
5-speed manual. Yes, 5-speed.
well done.
911,
1969. 1969 911. That's awesome. Some of these photos, I'll just hold my phone like this. And
Tell us about the car.
The car goes back in the days when Dad could own an Alpha. So, you know, he was a dream car.
Did you buy it new? No, he bought a second hand, and it was from Scapolini originally, from touring and sports cars.
Yeah,
What a lovely car. What engine? 1500?
and a twin weapons.
Very nice. And no rust.
No, she's a not.
Of course, it's all Alfa Romeos are. But she's a beautiful girl, yeah? Lovely.
I'm trying. Thank you, thank you.
Come again next year. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's a really lovely car.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's a beautiful Alfa Romeo Alfa Sprint, rather.
it's nearly finishing.
let's take portrait.
Mom, yes. Mom.
This bike at all?
Oh, very rarely. Just a bit much for my needs.
So it's just to enjoy and watch your nephew ride it.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you very much for being part of Kenya Airways as well, and a retired captain. For how many years were you a pilot for Kenya Airways?
I flew for 34 years.
Just 34 years. Is that all? You're only a Kijana, Bona. Brilliant. Well, thank you very much for bringing your bike to the concourse, and we wish you many years of enjoyment of just letting your nephew ride it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for having me.
Okay, thank you. Okay, over to you, Philip. That's it from the motorcycle. But please do come over this way and come and enjoy all these motorcycles. It's a really beautiful place to be. Thank you.
There we are. I couldn't say any more to what Mark's already said, so please feel free to go to the motorcycle paddock and enjoy yourself. We meet again. Welcome.
Let's see how the iPhone copes with that red.
Meanwhile, Banu and Johan, will you please get the winners for car class 2
Range Rover.
to the stage? Car class 2 winners to come to the stage, Banu and Johan.
Over the rim, okay.
This stop. It's a 1977.
Yeah.
I rallied the stop and I did the season.
Nice.
Then I said it's enough. So I stepped it, rebuilt it, and it came out very nice.
What engine was it? Meeting with the Lancers, Jaginda driving the Lancers, the Colt Lancers.
Yeah, I did very well with the standard car. I was top 20 in Mombasa, half the stage.
Well done. But you really looked after it. Do you drive it most weeks?
Like a baby.
Do you drive it most weeks?
No. Walk
Once a month.
Just keep it running.
Very good, Sati. Good luck. Thank you.
Theme for this concours de Langas is Maasai culture,
2X.
and our car is a Mitsubishi Galant.
Wow, well articulated. Are you sure your dad made these outfits? Does it?
Yes.
Does he have a sewing machine in the house, or how did you put it?
Am I right? Okay, but it was an entrance. It could easily have been. Yeah, okay, so it ends at the Old Safari Rally. The owner, Mr. Thomas Freund, was born in Cologne, and the previous owner was born in Cologne.
So let's go check out some motorbikes. That should be fun. So that's 1X, 2X, 5X optical. Let's try and snap that.
New brush, Versailles, 1968, Peugeot,
Yeah.
forever.
Yeah, but if you fall in my problem,
Then I'm looking forward to bring my. Yeah. Next year, you say? Yeah, next year.
Taking pictures in a car show is a bit challenging because there's so many people surrounding what you want to take a picture of. So just kind of have to look for something that's not overcrowded, like this bike. Now this is going to present a unique challenge because this bike is under a shade. So let's see what the iPhone 16 does in this case. That's also in a shade, so hopefully that's going to be
For that person who is injured.
kind of exposing if there's any weaknesses with the iPhone 16 Pro Max camera. Same goes for this one. So since I'm taking a side shot, I'll put it in landscape mode. Then let's see what we can get here. It's all right. Let's try this moving shot. What?
Wait! Bro. Hey! Bro, that's enough. Next after you. Oh, sorry. We need
Where does it ride on? Up here on the sky.
Watch the sky. Any color sketch.
He's got coat hangers. So
Kidogo
that's
tu.
what these handlebars
Kiasi
are
tu.
Last time ile hata ile ni ya kile barabara.
Yeah, I want to hear that engine once again.
Last time I was too late to take
In
it.
America, they call them coat hangers.
Oh. For us, we call it rib hangers
Yeah.
or monkey bars.
Let's take a short video of that shining.
Very nice. Very well.
Ngoja sauti nishike hiyo sauti.
Sawa. Sawa.
I don't think you've got a microphone that can comprehend that sound. Yeah.
Doesn't do justice, eh?
You know these phones of ours,
They don't do
once
justice.
the decibels hit a certain level in a cut. Yeah, so it will not. Try a portrait.
somewhere here.
You can get that.
I'm lucky the machine stops turning, or else it wouldn't turn.
Sorry, you good.
They have different concepts and different angles.
iPhone needs to cool down. This has got to be the best angle for this one. It's a hot day, so my iPhone keeps telling me it needs to cool down, so you can see that. I hope you can see that. So I'm going to take a short break and allow the phone to cool down, and then I'll be back at this.